In this video we will see how to do salary projections in Edu-Met. To begin salary projection, first make sure you already have the salary guide created for the next year for which you want to project salaries. Users can manually update salary guide cells if needed. To start, go to Human Resources, then Salary Update, and click on Salary Projection. On the salary projection screen, select the current year, and the into year as next year. Next, select the salary guide you want to use for the projection. You can then choose the step increment option. If set to yes, the by field will become available where you can enter the number of steps by which employees should be increment. The exclusion date field is used to exclude employees hired after a certain date from receiving the increment. Next, select whether you want to skip employees on leave by setting the option to yes or no as required. Then set these options as required to do increase. You can also select the skip terminated option as yes or no if you want to skip terminated employees. The through date field is used for terminated employees. For example, if the through date is set to June 30th, 2026, then employees terminated after this date will not be considered during the salary projection. Once all settings are complete, click Execute to create projected salaries for the next year. After the projection is complete, users should verify projected salaries by going to Database in Human Resources, and then Salary. On the salary screen, you can review projected salaries for employees. If any employee requires a salary adjustment, you can manually change the amount. To override salary guide amounts for a specific employee, use the Off Guide option. To compare and validate salaries between years, return to Salary Projection screen, and click on Salary Projection Report. On the report screen, select the year 2025-2026 to compare salaries between 2025-26 and 2026-27, then click Run Report. The report provides a 2-year salary comparison and validation report. On the report, a warning sign will appear for employees who are not terminated but have zero salary for the next year. These employees may have changed locations, guides, or job roles. If an employee has zero salary but no warning sign appears, this usually means the employee is terminated. You can verify this by reviewing the terminated date displayed on that employee's row in the report. Longevity can be updated from the Salary Update screen. Similarly, extra pay can also be updated from the Salary Update screen. This information is pulled from the salary guide setup. If you do not want to execute salary projection but only want to preview the projected salary changes, go to Salary Projection screen, and click on Salary Projection Report. Then, on the Salary Projection Report screen, click again on Salary Projection Report button. On the Salary Projection Report only, no update screen, you can use the same setup options as the regular salary projection process, and run the report to preview the salary changes. This will not update the employee salary records. This completes the salary projection video. Thank you for watching.